Let's start the screen sharing also. Okay, last time, do you remember where we left off? Last thing I posted example 5.13 we finished, no?
Yes, uncle.
Example 5.13. Okay, let us do example 5.14 then. Find the points which divide the line segment joining a. Okay, let's do it on 5 point. What we have to do? 14. Okay, 5.14 we are going to do now. Okay. The points which divide the line segment joining A minus 11, 4 and B 9, 8 into 4 equal parts. Okay. It's telling okay. A is minus 11, 4 and B is 9, 8. Okay. And it is dividing the lines joining. There are points and those are 4 equal parts. Okay. So this is one midpoint. This is the midpoint of that midpoint. This is another midpoint on this side. Okay. So what we can do is naming them PQR. Let us also name them PQR. Q is the midpoint of AB. Okay. So first you have to find Q as the midpoint of AB. Point Q you have to find first. Then from that you have to find P as the midpoint of AQ and R as the midpoint of AB. Okay. So Q is midpoint AB. Okay, so Q, let us say x1, y1. Let us say x2, y2. Let us say x3, y3. Okay. 1 second.
Yes, uncle.
I'm not doing that. When I'm sitting in a class and they're not doing it, it's that. Okay. There's noise from the next room. That's all. Okay. So Q is midpoint of AB. So what we have to do? X is equal to x1. Let us say this is. Let us say this is x4, y4. This is x5, y5. Okay. So x4 plus x5 by 2, comma y4 plus y5 by 2. This is only A. x4 is minus 11, x5 is 9 by 2, comma y4 plus y5, 4 plus 8 by 2. Okay. So that is equal to minus 2 by 2. 11 minus 11 plus 9. Okay. Comma 12 by 2 becomes minus 1, comma 6. So Q is a midpoint of AB. So that becomes x4 plus x5. Okay, so Q. So Q is equal to minus 1, comma 6. So you put minus 1, comma 6 here. Okay. Now you have to find from AQ, P is midpoint. So we have to find x2 comma y2. P x2 comma y2 is equal to what do you call it? x4 plus x1 by 2 comma y4 plus y1 by 2. That is equal to x4 is minus 11 again plus x1 this time is minus 1 by 2 comma y4 is 4 and plus 6. Okay, y1 is 6 by 2. That is equal to minus 12 by 2 comma 10 by 2. That is equal to minus 6 comma 5. Okay, so this point becomes minus 6 comma 5. Okay, minus 6 comma p is minus 6 comma 5. Now the same way you have to now r is midpoint of QB. Okay, QB. Q is x1 y1 and B is x5 y5. Okay, like that. So midpoint R is x3 y3 is equal to x1 plus x5 by 2 comma y1 plus y5 by 2. That is equal to x1 is minus 1 plus x5 is 9 by 2 comma x2 y1 plus y5. Y1 is 6. Okay, 6 plus y5 is here 8. 6 plus 8 by 2. That is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 comma 6 plus 8 is 14 by 2. That is equal to 4 comma 7. Okay, so R is equal to 4 comma 7. R is equal to 4 comma 7. So this is the textbook also. That's how they are doing. Okay, I'm just worried why this girl is not coming. What happened to her suddenly? Once the schools have started, they are confusing everything. Very unwieldy, unmanageable kind of scenarios that they are bringing up. I'm not liking it. I know what they are doing. At least your school so far has not indulged in that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, example over. Let us do example 5.15. That is saying the midpoints. Okay, this is very important example because it is a long sum. It's not a difficult sum, it's a long sum. There is a triangle first. Okay, the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, let us say the triangle is ABC and find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Okay, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. What is given? Midpoints of the sides are given. Okay, midpoint is given D is given as 5 comma 1. And then E is given as 3 comma minus 5. Then F is given as minus 5 comma 1. Minus 5 comma minus 1. Okay, this is only given. From that he is asking find the 3 coordinates of A, B and C. You understand? He is asking find x1, y1, x2, y2 and x2, y2. Given that 5 comma 1, 3 comma minus 5, and minus 5 comma minus 1. Okay. Now what you have to do, midpoint of AB is D. Okay. Is equal to 5 comma 1. Okay. How it is equal to 5 comma 1? X1 plus X2 by 2 and Y1 plus Y2 by 2 is equal to 5 comma 1. That means X1 plus X2 by 2 is equal to 5 and Y1 plus Y2 by 2 is equal to 1. X1 plus X2 is equal to, take this 2 that side, 5 into 2, 10. Y1 plus Y2 is equal to, take the 2 that side, 2. Okay, that is one equation you have got. This is one, this is, let us say, let us do. Then, other one, BC, midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BCE is 3 comma minus 5 is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. All right. So x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 3 and y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Okay, see, this one is equal to this one is equal to this. Okay,
Okay.
minus 5. So x2 plus x3, you take 2 that side is equal to 6. Okay, then y2 plus y3, you take 2 that side is equal to minus 10. Okay, this is another equation. This is 2. Okay, this is 2. Let us say this is 4. This is 5. Okay. Other thing you have to do now is AC has F is midpoint of AC. Okay, so minus 5 comma minus 1 is equal to x1 plus x3 by 2 comma y1 plus y3 by 2. That means this one equal to minus 5. So x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to minus 1. X1 plus x3 is equal to minus 10. Okay, then y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 2. This is 3. This is 6. Okay, this is 6. Okay. Now, what you have to do, add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, what you are getting, 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 2. This is 1. So, x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3 plus x3 plus x2 is equal to 10 plus 6 minus 10. This is minus 10. 3. Third one. Okay, add 1, 2, and 3. x1 plus x2, this is 2x2. This is 2x3. Okay, this is x1, sorry. This is 2x1. So 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 10 and 10 will cancel each other, 6. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 will equal to this divided by 2, this divided by 2. Okay, will be equal to 3. So x1 plus x2 by x3 is equal to 3. Now, after that, x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. This part is equal to 10. So 10 plus x3 is equal to 3. So x3 is equal to 3 minus 10. X3 is equal to minus 7. Finally, you got one answer. The same way, what you have to do, x2 plus x3 we know now. Okay. X3 where you can substitute. Okay, substitute x3 here. x2 plus x3 is equal to 6. x2 minus 7 equal to 6. x2 is equal to 7 plus 6. So x2 is equal to 13. Okay, this is another one. x2 value also you get. Okay, now you take another value. Okay, what we can take, x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. That one you can take. Which one? This one.
X1 plus X2. Mm.
One.
Yes, uncle.
X1 plus X2 equal to 10. That you take and substitute. X1 plus X2 is equal to 10. That means X1 plus 13 equal to 10. X1 equal to 10 minus 13. So X1 equal to minus 3. Okay. So you got the 3 points, apex point. Okay. Now you got to find y1, y2, and y3. Okay. Same way you have to find for y1, y2, and y3. Okay. Let us use this formula 4, 5, and 6. Y1 plus y2. Let us use 4, 5, and 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. To do that, y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y3 plus y1 equal to 1 plus 2. y1 plus y2 is 2. Okay. 2 plus y2 plus y3 minus 10.
Mm.
Okay. Is equal to 2, then minus 10. This is 2. This is minus 10. Then y1 plus y3 minus 2. Minus 2. That is equal to 2 minus 2 will cancel out, minus 10 will remain. This is y2 plus y2, y3 plus y3, y1 plus y3. So 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 10. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is divided by 2 both sides. Okay, minus 5. Okay. Now we know y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. So 2 plus y3 is equal to minus 5. y3 is equal to minus 5 minus 2, that is equal to minus 7. So y3 is equal to minus 7. So first one is x3 comma y3 is minus 7 comma minus 7. Okay, you got 1 point now. Now from that, let us find y2 or y1. y1, take this one, y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 2. y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 2. So y1 minus 7 equal to minus 2. y1 is equal to 7 minus 2. That is equal to 5. So y1 is equal to 5. So a is equal to, already x1 is what got, x1. x1 is minus 3. Minus 3 comma 5. And c is equal to minus 7 comma minus 7. Now you have to find y2. Then you will know b also. y2, y1 plus y3, where you can take y2 plus y3 or y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. Take that. y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. Okay. 5 plus y2 is equal to 2. So y2 is equal to 2 minus 5. y2 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So b is equal to, what is x2? Where you got x2? x2 is 6. No. x2 is 13. 13 comma 3. So this is the final thing. Okay. Let us
Okay,
see if
uncle.
your textbook is also giving the same thing. Minus 3 comma 5, yes. C is 7 comma 7, yes. B is 13 comma minus 3, yes. You got everything correct. Okay. So what we can do? Let us try to shrink it and put it in a single sheet. Now we can put it in a single screen. Okay, so that sum also, example sum is worked out. Now let us go and do some exercises from 5.3. Okay, let us do exercises from 5.3. These are very interesting exercises. Okay. Find the midpoints of the line segment joining the points -2, 3 and -6, -5. This is a mental sum. Very easy. Exercise 5.3, first sum. That first one. Okay. You do second one. I won't do second one. You do second one. I'll do 1 and 3. You do 2 and 4. Okay. Homework 2 and 4. Or 2 and 4. 1 and 3 I'll do. Okay. This is the line AB. -2, 3 and B is -6, -5. Okay. So find the midpoint M, X, Y. So X equal to X1 plus X2 by 2 and Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Okay. So X1 is -2. This is X1, -2. -2, this is -6. -6 by 2 is X. That is equal to -8 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2 is 4, -4. X equal to -4. Y is equal to Y1 is 3. Y1 is 3. Y1 -5. -5 by 2. Okay. -2 by 2. That is equal to -1. Y is equal to -1. So the point is X, Y. The point is -4, -1. Okay. That is the answer. Let me check with the textbook answer. This is exercise 5.3. 1. Yeah. You do the second sum. I'll do the third sum. I'll do third sum. The third sum. The point is now A comma B and A plus 2B comma A minus B. Okay. So now you have to find the midpoint A, B, and midpoint M, X comma Y. You have to find. Okay. X is equal to X1 plus X2 by 2. Okay, that is equal to X1 is A. This one is A plus X2 is A plus 2B divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to 2A plus 2B divided by 2. That is equal to 2 into A plus B divided by 2. Cancel the 2, A plus B. X equal to A plus B. Same way, Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Y1 is B. Y2 is A minus B plus A minus B by 2. That is equal to B and B cancel. So A by 2. Okay. So that is the answer is equal to, wait. A minus B, B, and then A minus B. Yeah. Something wrong. Okay, this is 2A minus B, sorry. This is 2A minus B. Okay, 2A minus B. That is equal to A. Y is equal to A. In that case, this is wrong. X plus C. Okay. Correct. This is 2A minus B. Y is equal to A. X is equal to A plus B. So the point is X comma Y is equal to A plus B comma A. Okay, that is the answer. A plus B comma A. Correct. So I've done the first and third sums. You can do the second and fourth sums for homework. Okay. Easy, no? It is easy. Don't know why people are there, saying maths is this way, that way, all of that. Sandhya has seen the thing, she's not responding.
Uncle, I'm here, uncle.
You're here? Why did you come in? Came in quietly?
Sorry, uncle, I don't want to disturb you.
Okay, okay. Oh, you're very good. Oh, thank God. I thought I have to try to send you a recorded session only. Okay, no problem. Good, good. Okay, which one you missed? You missed the first problem, right? Examples you missed, huh? Where did you comment?
Examples, uncle.
Okay, example 5.3, we started, you are there?
Yes, uncle, I was there.
And exercise 5.3, you are there. Okay, then no problem. Okay. Example sums are there worked out in your textbook. I have also given screenshots, very detailed screenshots. Please see that. You missed
Okay.
something. Then I will send you the recorded session also. You can have a look at that first, say 15 minutes, you can have a look at that. All right.
No.
Don't miss the class and then think, oh, anyway, uncle will send recorded session. So we will listen to that. Don't be like that. Finish the class and go and enjoy your day in the evening. Okay. Let's not waste time. Okay, this is over. Okay, then exercise exercise 5.2,
3, uncle.
5.3. Exercise 5.3, second sum. Let us do second sum. The center of a circle is -4, 2. Okay. One end of the diameter of the circle. Let us say one end of the diameter of the circle is -3, 7. Then find the other end. It is asking find out what is x, y in A. Okay. O is given
Okay.
4, -4, 2. Okay. Now O is midpoint of, very simple this way. Simple twist. O is midpoint of AB. All right. Therefore, -4, 2 is equal to x -3/2, y -7/2. That's all very simple. How you know? How? Because midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2/2, y1 plus y2/2. Correct? Midpoint. Here, what is a midpoint? -4, 2 is the midpoint. Right? -4, 2 is the midpoint. This one is equal to this one is equal to this. Okay, therefore, x1 is not given. x1 we don't know. x1 is x. Okay, but b we know. x2 is given. x2, y2 is given. Okay, so x2 is -3. So that's what I put there. And the same way, y2 is given. y2 is +7. You put there. Okay, now. So x -3/2 is equal to -4. This one is equal to -4. This one is equal to -2. Okay, -4 is equal to x -3/2, and 2 is equal to y +7/2. Okay, take this the other side. -8 is equal to x -3. -8, take this here. -8 plus 3 is equal to x. That means -5 is equal to x. Okay. The same way, take this the other side. 4 is equal to y +7. Okay. Then take this the other side. 4 minus 7 equal to y. -3 is equal to y. So the point is x, y is equal to -5, -3. Okay. A x, y is equal to A. Okay. -5, -3. Okay. That's all very simple. Let us do the third sum now. Okay, fourth sum is homework. Why fourth sum is homework? Because I did the example 5.15. Example 5.15 and fourth sum are the same. I mean, it's exactly same model you have to follow. So fourth sum is homework. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Let us do third sum. You have to paste this. So fourth sum is homework. We'll do example. Exercise 5.3. We'll do third sum. Okay. If the midpoint of the line joining 3, 4, okay, there is a line 3, 4 is A. Okay, it's got a midpoint. The line is joining 3, 7. And it lies on okay, this midpoint. Let us say this is x comma y. This is the midpoint. It lies on 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, that means this equation and this point are going together. Okay. What will be the value of p? X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, that we know. Here, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay, now x is equal to this x is this one, this x and this y. Okay, 3 plus p by 2 x equal to. Then y is equal to y1 4 and y2 7. Okay, y1 is 4, y2 is 7 by 2. That is equal to 11 by 2. So 3 plus 2 by 2 and 11 by 2. Okay. Now you substitute these two values in this equation and you can get the resolution of p. 2 into 3 plus p by 2 plus 2 into 11 by 2 plus 1 equal to 0 you are getting. Okay. Substituting in equation. Okay. X and y values you substitute in this equation. Okay. So 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. 3 plus p plus 11 plus 1 equal to 0 you are getting. 1 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 3, how much? 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So p is equal to minus 15. That's all. This is very interesting sum. Very interesting sums, different. You might be thinking how to do this, what are the issues and all of that. Okay. Very simple sum. Let us post this here. Okay. Fourth sum you can do. Okay. Now I will do fifth sum. Just 1 minute. There's some noise. I will see the noise. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, let us go on. So this one is, have I posted this? Yes, I have posted this. Now let us erase this. What is the next sum? Fourth sum you are doing. So let us do fifth sum. Fifth sum will be exercise 5.3, exercise 5.3, fifth sum. Okay. O is the center of a circle, is one chord is AB. O 0, 0. So center of a circle. One chord is AB. Let us put one chord AB. Okay. The points A and B are 8, 6 and B 10, 0. Okay, points are 10, 0. OD is a perpendicular from the center to the chord. Okay, center going to, okay. Now we know that from geometry, the perpendicular chord will bisect the chord. Okay. So these two will be same. Will be same. Okay. That means AD is equal to BD or D is midpoint. Midpoint of AB. Okay. What is telling? Find the coordinates of the midpoint of OD. Is telling midpoint of OD. This is x comma y. Find out what that is. Let us name it as ODE. Okay, E of x comma y. What is the midpoint? Okay, OD midpoint. Now, first thing you have to find out is midpoint of AB. Then only you get D. Okay, how to find D? D. Let us say x1, y1. Let us say this is D is x1, y1. Okay, is equal to or x3, y3. And this is x4, y4. You can keep it x3, y3. D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Let us keep. Okay, like that. That is equal to 8 plus 10 by 2. This is x1 is 8, x2 is 10. 8 plus 10 by 2, comma y1 the same way 6 plus 0 by 2. Okay, this is 0, this is 6. Okay. That is equal to 8 plus 10, 18 by 2, comma 6 by 2. That is equal to 9, comma 3. Okay. So OD, D is 9, comma 3. Now what you have to find the midpoint? You have to find the midpoint of OD. E of OD. Okay. O is 0, comma 0 and D is 9, comma 3. Okay, this line. You find the midpoint E, which is x4, comma y4. Okay. X4 equal to 0 plus 9 by 2, comma 0 plus 3 by 2. Okay, that's all there is. 9 by 2, comma 3 by 2. That's all this point is. So x4, comma y4 is equal to 9 by 2, comma 3 by 2. Okay. Which sum we have done? We have done the fifth sum now. Fifth sum 9 by 2, comma 3 by 2. Correct. You understood? Any questions there? It's very straightforward. First, find chord is perpendicular to the chord means it bisects that chord, no, by that point D, where the perpendicular is drawn. It actually bisects the chord AB. That is a property from geometry that you should know. Okay. So what you should say is OD bisects AB chord AB because OD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, that's all. Once you tell that, you can carry on with the sum. Let us paste this also 5.35. These are all simple sums. Okay. Fourth sum is a long one. X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3, like that you have to go, then find out X1, then X2 and X3, then Y1, Y2, Y3, and then you will get the vertices of the coordinate. Okay. Now let us do sixth sum. Sixth sum is very important and very interesting. Sixth and seventh. 8th sum is easy, you can do that. Huh? So 6th and 7th I will do. Let us do 6th sum. There is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, this side equal to this side, and it is right angle. So isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle is at B. This is B. So A, B, C you can name. Points A is -5, 4. A is -5. B is -1, -2. Okay, and C is 5, 2. This is the data given. That the vertices. Find the coordinates of D so that ABCD is a square. Now he is telling you should extend this like that. And you should extend this like that. And this is the point D, x4, y4. Okay, find what are the coordinates such that ABCD is a square. How to do this? There are many ways you can do this, but I think best way to do that is you find the midpoint of AC. Okay, find the midpoint of AC. Okay, and in a square, the diagonals bisect each other. Okay, the diagonals bisect each other. So if I draw one more line BD, so AC and BD meet at or bisect at, let us say this is E. Okay. First, let us find E is x5, y5. Okay. This is x5, y5. Okay. So you first find the midpoint E from AC. Okay, A and C is given. You find the midpoint. Okay, then you take BD line. Okay, BD line. You take BD line. In BD line, you now know B, and you now know the midpoint. You can find the other point. Okay, that's how we should do it. First, from AC, A and C are given. You find the midpoint E. Okay, then take the line BD, the other diagonal. In that line, B is given and E is given. You find D. That's all. Huh? 2 steps you have to do. First, from AC, find x5, y5 is equal to x5 is equal to 5 plus 5 by 2, and y5 is equal to 4 plus 2 by 2. This is 5. This is 5. Correct. Oh, that is -5. Thank God. This is -5. That is first 5 by 2. This is 4. That is 2. Correct. So that is equal to -5 cancel 0 by 2, comma 4 plus 2, 6 by 2. So that is equal to 0, 3. So x5, y5, that point E is equal to 0, 3. Okay, this is 0, 3. Now in line, in diagonal BD, okay, B is -1, 2. E midpoint equal to 0, 3. Okay, D x4, y4, this is what? Now that only you have to find. Okay, what you have to do? Midpoint. Midpoint x5 is equal to BD. Okay, -1 plus x4. This is -1. -1 plus x4 by 2. Okay, what is x5? x5 is 0, equal to 0. What is x5? x5 equal to 0. Okay, so Then -1 plus x4, take this to the other side. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So take this 1 the other side now. x4 equal to 1. Okay. For point D. Point D, x4 is equal to 1. Okay. The same way, y5 is equal to 3 is equal to this y plus this y. Okay. -2 plus y4 by 2. Okay. Take this to this side. 3 into 2 is 6 equal to -2 plus y4. Take this to this side. 6 plus 2 is equal to y4. So 8 is equal to y4. So the point D is equal to 1 comma 8. Okay. D is equal to 1 comma 8. That's all. Yeah. What is the doubt? Anybody? Somebody wanted to ask a doubt? What happened? No doubts?
No, uncle.
Okay. It's clear, no?
Yes, uncle.
Yeah. In 2 steps, you have to do it. First, find the midpoint of AC because you have both the values of A minus 5 comma 4 and C 5 comma 2. You can find easily midpoint.
Okay, uncle.
x1 plus x2 by 2, x2 plus y2 by 2. That way you can do. Okay. Then once you got the midpoint, now you go to the other diagonal BD. In the diagonal BD, you got both B and midpoint O 0 comma 3 now. Okay. So you got B and 0 comma 3 now. Now you have to find out D x4 x4 y4. We finish the sum. Okay. Have I posted this? No, I've not posted this. What is that we posted? We posted 6 sum. Okay. Now, which one we'll do? I'll do 7 sum because that is important. 8 sum is easy. I'll tell you how to do 8 sum. You do 8 sum for homework. Okay. 8 sum is easy. 8 sum is homework. What else is homework? Fourth one also homework. First sum, second is homework, and fourth is homework. Okay. I'm giving homework you are not at all doing. If you don't do anything, you're only staring at what I am doing. How will you gain confidence in the solving the problems? You will understand, but only if you start doing these sums, you are really going to make a difference. So you want at one time you have to set aside all this screenshot everything and start working out the sums yourself. Then only you'll realize how much you know or you don't know. Okay. Otherwise, I'm teaching you to get 100 out of 100. I'm teaching you to get 100 out of 100. There is not a sum here that no, you won't know. But please do your homework. Okay. Please do your homework. You pasted this. Okay. Let us then erase this. Your 9th standard mathematics is very simple. Okay. Only 10th standard maths, you have to work a little bit. 9th standard, if you understood everything, because very easy maths, 9th maths. Okay, easiest maths, 9th maths. 10th standard, little bit you'll have to work. But 9th standard easy maths itself you didn't do, and you skipped everything. Like my 10th standard friend I'm taking a class for. He skipped their school, they skipped the statistics chapter completely. So he is finding statistics difficult. If you do like that, do some shortcut, and you think you are very joyful. See, my teacher is very good. The government of Tamil Nadu is very good, and they are skipping chapters, this and that. But at the end, you will get caught. Okay, so don't take shortcuts. Take a good route out. You will enjoy your success till the end. You want to be successful and enjoy success, or what do you want to be? Okay, so don't take shortcuts. Don't think, some portion they skip means very nice. Nothing like that. I'm not skipping anything unless you want me to skip. If you want me to skip, I can skip, no problem. No, my work is also easier. Okay, but when you come next year, we'll have to do this again. Okay, better we do this now and don't skip. Okay, that is how we should do. Okay, now seventh sum, exercise 5.37 sum. This is the last thing we will do today. The points A, B, C are the midpoints of the side D, E, and FD of a triangle. Okay, now you take like that. Okay, D, E, and F. A, B, and C are the midpoints. Okay, so A is -3, 6. Then B is -1, 2. No. 0, 7, EF. 0, 7. Then C is what? 1, 9. Okay, this is given. Once this is given, show that the quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. She's telling now ABCD is a parallelogram. What you have to prove? For that, you have to prove that, okay, let us put this point EF, midpoint is M. Let us keep this point M. Okay, we have to prove that this midpoint M, which is a midpoint of AC, okay, is also midpoint of BD, or that means what? AC and BD are diagonals that bisect each other. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, that's what you'll have to prove. To prove. So long sum. So let us take it one by one, little by little. Okay. Now DEF we don't know, x1, y1. E we don't know, x2, y2. F we don't know, x3, y3. M we don't know, x4, y4. Okay, let us find x1, y1, x1, x2, x3, and y1, y2, y3. This is like problem number 4. Okay, what you have to do? -3 is equal to x1. In D, A is midpoint. In D, A is midpoint. Therefore, -3 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, and 6 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay? 6 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. You understand? Midpoint, because A is a midpoint. Okay. Take this the other side. -6 is equal to x1 plus x2. Okay, this is 1. Then take this other side. Okay, 12 is equal to y1 plus y2. This one you keep. Same way, in EF, okay, B is midpoint. So 0 is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2. Take this the other side, x2 plus x3 equal to 0. This is 1, this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Then another one, 7 is equal to midpoint. 7 is equal to y2 plus y3 by 2. Take this the other side. 14 is equal to y2 plus y3. This is another equation. Okay, 1, 2, 4. This is 5. Okay. Now, in the other one is in DF. In DF, C 1 comma 9 is midpoint. Okay, therefore in DF, 1 is equal to x1 plus x3 by 2 and 1, this is 1, 1 is equal to 9 is equal to y1 plus y3 by 2. Okay, this is y1, this is y3. Okay, in DF, this line, DF, you understand? Okay, now take this the other side. 2 is equal to x1 plus x3. Okay, this is 3. Then same one, 18 is equal to y1 plus y2, y3, y1 plus 8. This is 6 equation. 6 equation you have got. From that you can get the value of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, whatever. All x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 you can get. From that you can get AC. Okay, already AC you have got. What you can get now is you can get BD. Okay, you can get BD. Okay, once you get BD and you prove that same midpoint only for BD also, you got the problem correct. Okay. Now you add up 1, 2, and 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, that means x1 plus x2. This is 2. Let me put it this, x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3, then again 3 plus x1 plus x3 is equal to how much? This is minus 6, this is 0, okay, this is 0, this is 2 plus 2. Okay, so x2 is found 2 times, x3 2 times, x1 2 times. So 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 4. Okay, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. Okay. Now we know x1 plus x2 minus 6. Okay, so minus 6 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. So x3 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. x3 is equal to 4. Okay, x3 is equal to 4. Then what you can do? X2 plus x3 equal to 0. Okay, so x2 plus x3 is 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So x2 is equal to minus 4. Now you got x2 also. Same way, x2 you got, x3 you got. Let us take x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now x1 minus 4 equal to minus 6. x1 is equal to minus 6 plus 4. x1 equal to minus 2. Okay. So x2 is equal to minus 4. x3 is equal to 4. Okay. So the 3 points for D, x1 is equal to minus 2 comma something. Okay. For x2 minus 4 comma something. Okay. And then for x3 4 comma something. 4 comma something. Let us see what that will be. Okay. Now you have to get y1, y2, y3. For that, what you have to do, you have to take, add up 4 plus 5 plus 6. y1 plus y2 plus 5 is y2 plus y3 plus 6 is y1 plus y3 equal to 12 plus 14 plus 18. 12 plus 14 plus 18. 18 plus 14 is what? 28, 32. 32 plus 12, 44. Equal to 44. Here, 2 times y2, 2 times y3, 2 times y1. 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3. Okay. Cut the 2, this will go 22. Okay. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 22. Now you know y1 plus y2 is equal to 12. So 12 plus y3 is equal to 22. y3 is equal to 22 minus 12 is equal to 10. So this part is 10, y3 is 10. Same way, let us take another place where y2 plus y3 is coming. Y2 plus y3 is equal to 14. Okay, y3 is already 10. y2 plus 10 is equal to 14. y2 is equal to 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. So y2, this one is 4. y2 is equal to 4 now. y2 is equal to 4. Now what you have to find out? Only y1 you have to find out. Okay. Now y1 plus y2 is equal to 12. y1 plus y2 is equal to 12. Okay. y2 is 4. y1 plus 4 is equal to 12. y1 is equal to 12 minus 4. y1 is equal to 8. Okay. So this place is equal to 8. Yeah. 2 comma 8. Now you got all the points. Now what you have to do? Take the midpoint of AC. AC. Okay. 2 comma 8 minus 4 comma 4, 4 comma 10. Okay. Now what you have to do? Midpoint AC you have to do. You have to find out. Midpoint of AC is minus 3 comma 6 and 1 comma 9. Okay. So what you have to do? Midpoint of AC. What did we name it? Okay, x4 y4 you named it. Okay, x4 comma y4. That is equal to this plus this by 2 minus 3 plus 1 by 2 comma 6 plus 9 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 comma 6 plus 9 is 15 by 2. Okay, minus 1 comma 15 by 2. That is x4 y4. Okay, x4 y4 is minus 1 15 by 2. Okay, that is the midpoint M. Now BD you have to take and see if BD also same midpoint is coming. So, midpoint of BD now you take. Okay, what is B? What is D? B is 0 comma 7. B is 0 comma 7. What is D? D is minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8. This line. Okay. Now midpoint of BD. That is also must be x4 comma y4. Okay. If it is x comma y4, then midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. That means the two are bisecting each other. That means ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. This is the final point we are reaching. Climax. Okay. So this one is equal to x value is equal to 0 minus 2 comma 8 or 2 comma 8 minus 2 comma 8. See, yeah. So 2 by 2 x and y is equal to 7 plus 8 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 by 2 comma 15 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 comma 15 by 2. Okay, so midpoint of BD. What is the midpoint of AC? Midpoint of AC is equal to minus 1 comma 15 by 2. Midpoint of BD also is the same. Therefore, okay, AC bisects BD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. AC bisects, okay, diagonal. AC bisects diagonal BD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Let us now what's happening. I will print screen and post this so that you can see it in a single shot. You have finished that sum. 8 sum you do for homework. Very simple. Okay, you find a isosceles triangle I'll just tell you how to do it and let's finish off. I'm sorry, you came 10 minutes late, so Sandhya, you came, but Arpana came exactly right. Okay, right triangle. So if you have a right triangle, right angle at A. Okay, so ABC. What you have to do? What is shown? Midpoint of the hypotenuse. Find midpoint because no B and C is given. Find midpoint. X4 comma Y4 you find. Okay. So if it is directly midpoint, then this distance will be equal to this distance. What you have to prove that this distance, okay, now you say name this point M. Okay, AM is also equal to D, you have to prove. That's all. Okay. Already MC is equal to BM because M is midpoint. Once you prove M is, find the midpoint. Okay, M is midpoint, you find the midpoint. Then MC is equal to is already. Now you have to prove that AM is also equal to that same value. Okay, D at distance. So find one distance. Find one distance. Find the distance. You know how to find distance, right? X1 minus X2 the whole square plus Y1 minus Y2 the whole square equal to D. Okay, find the distance for, let us say, MC. Find the distance for MC, it will be the same for BM. You don't have to find for. Then you prove that the same distance is for AM also. Find the distance for AM and prove that that is also equal to D. Okay. Therefore, that point, midpoint of the hypotenuse is equidistant from the vertices. That's all. Okay. This is 8 sum. You do it that way. I'm posting this also so that you are clear how to do it. And you don't go to your guide and he's telling this, that, everything. Okay. Very simple. You should know the procedure, what must do. That's all. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Good session today. Have a nice
Bye,
evening.
uncle.
Enjoy yourself. Okay. Sandhya, I will send you the, what do you call, recording. First 20 minutes you watch. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, uncle.